Good morning, participants. This is an introductory video on the NPTEL course on Sustainable Energy Technology. It is being offered by myself, Dr. Shayok Banerjee from IIT Hyderabad. So I am from the Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering Department at IIT Hyderabad, and I'm also associated with the Climate Change Department at IIT Hyderabad. And this course will help you understand in detail the many aspects of sustainable energy technology that is necessary in today's world in order to go for a clean energy transition that India and many other countries of the world are trying to achieve. So before going into details, let me give you a brief snapshot of what is sustainable energy technology and what we want to cover here. There are 4 dimensions that we will cover in our class. And all these 4 dimensions together creates the whole ecosystem of sustainable energy technology. The first dimension is identifying sources of sustainable energy like solar energy, wind energy, water energy, and biomass energy. We will discuss in class what makes these sources sustainable and how we can transition from more non-sustainable sources like fossil fuel-based energy to these sustainable energy source systems. Connected with that is the idea of developing technologies that can extract useful energy from these energy sources. So the technologies associated with the conversion of sustainable energy sources to useful work, be it electricity, mechanical work, process heat associated work, or transportation as in transportation industry. Here we will cover things like solar cells, wind turbines, hydropower plants, biomass conversion facilities, etc. The third dimension is on the user side, how we can utilize energy in a sustainable fashion. Here many of the demand side technologies will be covered, including smart grid technologies and how grid systems can be improved to take into account the greater penetration of renewable and sustainable energy sources, battery and other types of energy storage technologies, and what their role is in the future energy grid, conversion of renewable energy into hydrogen, which can act as a useful energy carrier in many places, etc. The last dimension that completes the picture of sustainable energy is conversion of the waste that has been generated during the energy utilization and extraction processes and converting that waste into value-added materials that can be utilized in a cyclic economic fashion. This can include capture, storage, and utilization of CO2 that is being emitted from existing fossil fuel plants, converting this CO2 into useful value-added products or even fuels to ensure a cyclic carbon economy which does not create emissions, net emissions, conversion of waste from agro waste, forest waste, municipal waste, and industrial waste to chemicals and energy, and also conversion of waste heat that is being wasted in an industrial process and recovering that waste heat into and using it to heat systems. So together, these 4 dimensions will be covered from sources to conversion to utilization to waste upcycling. So we will discuss now the details of this course. The first objective of the course, as we discussed, is to provide a broad overview of the technologies related to sustainable energy generation and utilization, as well as what the relative function is within the energy ecosystem. This course is suitable as an elective for first-year postgraduate and 3rd and 4th-year undergraduate students interested in the field of energy technology. Particularly, this course is relevant for environmental science and engineering GATE preparation. Aspects of the GATE syllabus in the ES field includes aspects of sustainable energy, renewable energy, environmental waste mitigation, etc., that will be covered in the course of the lectures here. The course will also be suitable for working professionals who wish to gain knowledge in this domain and have a background in engineering and science. For working professionals, this will give you a broad overview of the entire energy ecosystem, as well as give you an idea of the technologies used for making sustainable energy systems an actuality in society today. The prerequisites of this course are basic courses in engineering and science taught up to second year in all undergraduate STEM disciplines. To the right is a brief set of media releases in the last year that shows the importance of sustainable energy technology, especially in India and in the Indian government. As we can see in the slides, over 35,000 crores of capital investments are being done in this year towards energy transition and net zero objectives. There is a goal of achieving 4,000 megawatt hours of battery energy storage systems and upgrading the interstate grid transmission systems to create the smart grid infrastructure needed for the greater penetration of renewables. So clearly, there is a lot of growth and a lot of opportunity for both professional work, research work, and commercial work if you are interested in this field. This course will follow a standard course structure of NPTEL. We will have 2.5 to 3 hours of video lectures per week, 12-week course duration in total. It's a 3-unit course. We will have weekly multiple choice question based assignments. There will be tutorial discussions and case studies and multiple choice final exams. So hopefully you will find this course informative. Myself and my TAs will be available for you to guide you and clear any doubts that you might have. And hopefully this course will give you a background in sustainable energy technology that you can bring forward and do further professional work on. With that, thank you and hoping to see you in the class.